Our next chemical is iron nitrate. Iron nitrate, kind of yellowish orange color. And zinc acetate, let's put a drop in there. You can see something clearly happened there. It's like a reddish color. Sodium iodide, there's like a deeper orange. Sodium carbonate. If you look close, again, you can see something formed inside there, nice and clear there, and that is sodium carbonate. So let's write those three down. Iron nitrate with zinc acetate was red. Sometimes it's aqueous. The sodium iodide was like also kind of a red. Sodium carbonate was an orange color. This one sometimes is soluble. Sodium phosphate, now you have a white precipitate. Sodium sulfate does not react. And sodium hydroxide reaction, a red. It's kind of a deep orange there. So let's go through these. Iron nitrate with sodium phosphate, that was a white, was this one here. Sodium sulfate was aqueous. And then we have, for sodium hydroxide, we have a red. Sodium chloride was aqueous. This is the sodium phosphate, the sodium hydroxide. One more round. We have the last chemical here that will actually react is the lead nitrate with a 2, so it's lead 2 nitrate. All these are transition elements here, so they have to have special names. The lead nitrate, PbNO3. The zinc acetate, the very first one, so we might as well write that in here. Lead nitrate and zinc acetate do not react, so we would call that aqueous. But let's go with the sodium iodide. You clearly see the yellow. The next one is sodium carbonate, a nice white precipitate there, see it? Sodium phosphate, again white. Sodium sulfate, white seems to be a popular color these days. Sodium hydroxide, again white. Sodium chloride, and notice it's probably the lead that's producing the white, so guess what's going to happen here? We have nice white again. You have a yellow and all the rest are white, so let's put these in our chart. Our lead nitrate is here, so zinc acetate was aqueous. Then sodium iodide was actually yellow. Sodium carbonate was white. Sodium phosphate is white. Sodium sulfate is white. Sodium hydroxide was white. And sodium chloride was white. Now the last one is potassium nitrate. Potassium nitrate didn't react with any of them. So all of these would be aqueous, means they're dissolved in water.